guys, welcome back to Knowledge Elevator, and this video we are going to learn how you can create outstanding logo for your business, for your office, and also for your client. So it will not take that much time because this is quite simple. What you can do, simply go to the left panel, and from there you can create a template, and on the top of there is option of search, and simply search there. For example, you have task to create a logo for medical center, and simply search there medical center logo, and they will give you lots of options. For example, you are interested to explore more options. What you can do, you can also open that in the next tab, or you can also open that beside this. So that is also options that you can do. Okay, so for example, you choose this logo. So imagine, for example, you have project of logo from a medical center, for example Darman Medical Center. What you can do, you can just write the name of medical center below your logo, and now you can also change the color and design of your logo. For example, you want to change the color, what you can do, simply go to the option of color and change that. Okay, there is another logo. From there you can choose this design, simply copy that and paste near your logo, and it will be like this. So you can also rotate this. Okay, there is option of rotation, so you can rotate this just like this. Okay, so you can also change the color of this design. Okay, select this, go to color and change the color into, and you want to make your logo more different, so simply go to this options, copy that hand, just copy that and paste it here, so it will be like this. Okay, let me adjust it. If you are interested to move two objects to the same location, you can select both of them, and also you can move over your desirable location by selecting two objects. For example, I am interested to make it a little bit up, so I can do it like this. Again, if you want to change the color, you can do it from upper portion, from the upper panel. You can change the color from here. Okay, so now I am going to write the name of medical center. Go to the left panel and click on text. So you will write your name here because you are going to prepare logo for the Darman Medical Center, and this is a project that you got, so you can prepare. Okay, simply write the name and drag it here. So now next is a slogan of your medical center, which is, for example, together towards better health. You can do it from here. Okay, so for example, if you think that your logo is done, simply go to the option of share. You can click it, download. You can do it by clicking here. If you think this video helped you, go ahead and subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for your time. See you in next video.